Welcome back to another day of spring cleaning motivation. I'm so happy to have you here. I've been tackling my spring cleaning a little bit at a time so that when the super nice weather gets here, my house is completely cleaned, decluttered, and organized. That doesn't take away from the mess that happens on a regular basis as a mom of 4 little ones, 7 and under. My house always tends to be on the messier side. That's just real life and mom life over here. But at least I know that everything is getting deep cleaned, decluttered, and organized. If you've been following along in this spring cleaning series, my plan was and still is to post a video every single day in April. This has proven to be a little bit difficult in the kids' rooms specifically. I was doing a lot of my spring cleaning at night, and I of course cannot spring clean, deep clean, declutter, and organize in the kids' rooms at night while they are sleeping. So I've been chipping away at it a little bit at a time during the day, making my very manageable, non-overwhelming 30-day spring cleaning schedule even more manageable and doing it just a little bit at a time. And once the kids go to bed for the night, I pretty much have to call that area quits for the remainder of the night. One way or another, even if I get a little bit behind here and there, I will complete my 30-day spring cleaning checklist by April 30th. I'm just being real, that is what is going on right now. It is a little bit challenging to film, edit, and post every single day for 30 days, but it was a personal goal of mine and a series that I was and still am so excited to be sharing. I just hope that you are enjoying this as much as I am. As you can see, we are in Wyatt's room right now. He is my 3-year-old. As usual, it's a little bit messy in here, so the first thing I did is pick everything up. While I was picking up his toys, I also decluttered them, and when I'm done picking up the remainder of his room, I will be decluttering his clothes. There also won't be any deep cleaning going on in today's video. That will be done tomorrow. It's all part of the schedule and doing this very manageable and not overwhelming. I'm cleaning your room. Do you like it? Yeah! I'm always so thankful to be able to partner with brands who see value in my content and support my channel. Today's sponsor is Gem. I've talked about Gem before, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them on today's video as well. Gem's Daily Bite is a functional daily multivitamin formulated for proper absorption, packed with over 20 vitamins, minerals, prebiotics, probiotics, and superfoods, all in one real food bite for foundational health. Gem uses the timeless wisdom of food, things like pumpkin seeds, black pepper, turmeric, citrus, and mushrooms to create a holistic solution rooted in science. I'm all about living a more natural, holistic lifestyle, so eating my daily bite every day fits right into my routine. Plus, I love how it tastes. It's almost like a citrusy, nutty granola bar. I take my time eating it because it tastes so good. I love that Gem offers a holistic ecosystem of nutrient-dense, real food bites with clinically studied ingredients to nourish our bodies with support for foundational health, immunity, energy, relaxation, and sleep, because food is medicine. Gem's real food bites are HSA FSA eligible, and using your HSA FSA funds could save you an average of 30%. To get a special deal off your first month of Gem, you can click the link in the description below and use my code BECKYMOSS at checkout. Thank you so much, Gem, for sponsoring today's video. Alright, we are done with all of the picking up. It is finally time to declutter Wyatt's clothes and shoes. All of my kids have grown so much. They all have clothes that are way too small for them in each of their rooms. They've all been having a little bit of a difficult time finding what they want to wear in the morning. I feel like all of the clothes they love are one size too small, and it will be so nice once all of their clothes are decluttered so those are just not even an option for them anymore. Especially for my little fashionista Hazel, who spends an hour every day laying on her floor looking at her clothes, undecided with what she wants to wear. It's actually become a little bit of a problem recently. She's getting us behind a little bit in our morning schedules, so I have asked her going forward every day before we go to bed at night to pick out her outfit for the next day. I think it will make our morning go so much smoother. I feel like shorts always fit for an extra long time, but I couldn't believe that Wyatt had 18 to 24 month size shorts in his shorts drawer. He is going on 4 years old in June.
I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have tried. And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. 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 I'm gonna revive it.
If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have my ways and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion, illusion. Yeah, I sometimes feel like I can grow up. I'm drinking beer right out my coffee cup. I wanna do what I want, it's just an illusion, illusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like we're singing. It goes like, I guess it's been a while since I was told last. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, confusion. Yeah. Have you ever felt like you was on display? Every word you said just had to be explained. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, confusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go just wanna be myself.
I would say this was a pretty successful bedroom declutter of one of my 4 children. I've decluttered an entire full garbage bag of clothes and shoes. This is the first time I've decluttered some of my kids' clothes and decided not to keep anything for the next baby because I don't know if there will be a next baby. I personally would love to have 6, but at this point we're just not ready for that commitment yet. So we'll just see where life takes us, go with the flow, and I'm very happy with everything that was done in here. Tomorrow we will be deep cleaning. I hope you enjoyed today's decluttering motivation. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you tomorrow.
I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out